I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer on Gears of War 5. First, launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, you will see options for Campaign, Versus, Horde, and Escape. To begin your online journey, select either Versus, Horde, or Escape. These are the primary multiplayer experiences available for you to enjoy with friends or other players. Gears 5 offers 3 distinct multiplayer experiences. Versus mode pits 2 teams of 5 players against each other in intense competitive matches. Horde mode allows up to 5 players to team up and defend against 50 waves of increasingly difficult enemies. Finally, Escape mode challenges 3 players to race against a deadly venom bomb, fighting through a hive. Once you have chosen your desired game mode, you will typically have the option to join a public match through matchmaking or create a private lobby. If you wish to play with friends, invite them to your squad before initiating the search. This ensures you all enter the same game together, ready for action. To enhance your multiplayer experience, remember a few key tips. Effective communication with your teammates, often through voice chat, is crucial for coordinated attacks and defense. Always use the game's robust cover system to your advantage, staying protected during firefights. Experiment with various weapon loadouts to discover what best suits your playstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.